Hi, this is Master Ken. The Melakakaden country has some huge data, such as this. It has a over 182,000 rows, and there's a task that recently be assigned, and the task is to break every 10,000 rows into a new file as a text file, a 10,000 row. So 100,000, you need to do this 10 times. If you have 200,000, you need to do 20 times. If you have a million, you have to do 100 times. And the task. So, how do you do this repetitive work easier? Well, you need to learn macro. If you find there are some repetitive works and such as this, first you can record a macro. So you have the code, and then you analyze why is the code recorded in such a way. Why is it 11? So 11 is 2 plus 10 is minus 1. So now I have some code. So that will copy some data into a new worksheet. So once you've done that, how do you export this to another Excel file? Then you need to leverage on what you already learned, such as this one here. So I talk about this, how to turn this into Excel. Another major vendor files is split into a different file in this video. So it's the same code, you can use it to help you. And it's like this. Only a few lines. But it makes a lot of difference when you talk about a repetitive works. And this is covered in my VBA level 3. It's right here. So now let me walk you through. So this is the Melakakaden data, and the code that we done is here. So okay, let me just clear it, show you the work. So the first thing is that I can either use this macro or this macro. So I'll go for this here. So I'll press the run button, and notice that it's now copy this data to the worksheets working. Now I'm ready with the data, and now just like you do for these worksheets, you can save it as a different workbook. So it's like right click, move or copy to a new workbook. So this step can be replaced by this field code here. So instead of right click, copy, move here and there, right, these are several clicks. We do it several actions with a multiple action. We reduce it to just a single one click task. So just click here one time, it will save it to the C drive text folder. Okay, so let's take a look here. So I have some data here that which is here, right? This is working. Let's just delete it, and you shall see this data in a short while. So let's go here, and okay, yeah, let's just try that. So we shall see it here, yeah. So let's run it. Ta-da! Okay, so what I've done is see the file is here, and we'll open the file, and take a closer look. So this file is exactly the same here. Okay. So, but the question is actually text file. So how do you do the text file? The code for text file is here. So for example here, now, so same thing here. Okay, let's look at here. These are no file. So I already have the data in the working Excel file sheet, and then I just oh, if I don't need the working sheets, I can just directly do that. So click on it. So what Excel done is convert into a text file. See right here, this is the text file. It do it without referring to the working sheet. So select certain range and then copy it and then call it workbooks.add additions.paste there, and that new workbook is now called the active workbook, and just save it as a file name, and that's all. So that is how you convert this to a text file. Now, okay, so what if after the text file you want to immediately email to somebody, right? We talk about it all in level 3, how to send email from Excel. So there's a series of workflow that you can done quicker with macro. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Have faith in Jesus.